If you want to learn how to access training in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to open the built-in training help so you can learn Word faster and get answers right inside the app. This is especially useful if you're new to Word, or if you just want a quick refresher without searching all over the internet. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and make sure you're on a Documents or at the main Word screen. Once Word is open, look up at the top of the window for the menu bar. You'll want to click Help. This is where Microsoft keeps support and learning tools that can guide you through the app. After you click Help, look for the option that says Show Training. This is the feature that opens Word's training resources. Click Show Training and Word will bring up the training content for you. Depending on your version of Word, this may open a panel on the side, a help page, or a set of learning articles and tutorials. From there, you can browse the available training topics and choose the one that matches what you want to learn. This could include basic formatting, document creation, page layout, inserting objects, or other useful Word features. If you're just starting out, this is a great way to build confidence and learn at your own pace. And if you already know the basics, it's still a helpful place to discover new tools and shortcuts you may have missed. The best part is that you don't need to install anything extra. The training is built into Word and can usually be accessed in just a couple of clicks. So to recap, open Word, click Help, and then select Show Training. That's all it takes to access the training section in Word and start learning right away. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.